Welcome to the Print Media Center label in St. Gallen. Today we are going to explore the Gallus Label Fire's cleaning capabilities. To ensure a high print quality, the print heads need to be cleaned from time to time. We have several levels of cleaning. We will now show you the most commonly used one, the light cleaning mode. By the way, for this level, no inks are used for purging. To activate the cleaning process, the operator will choose the colors that need to be cleaned on the HMI. For this demonstration, we will keep the digital print unit open so you can see what happens inside. The Gallus Label Fire can do this its own as soon as the operator has started the process. The cleaning procedure is finished in about 3 minutes. Now that the cleaning is finished, the Gallus Label Fire is ready to get right back to action.